Got the boards in the back of the Chilux. Psych juice, bro. Yeah, get that up here. It's gonna be a good one. Good session this morning. Bit windy and a bit cold, but a little bit of swell came through. So we're just gonna try and shred the gnar and see what happens. You. Alright, I didn't get a normal coffee, I didn't get a Dare Ice coffee. Today I got a Macca's iced latte from the drive-thru. Pretty cracked, honestly, like massive big ass cup of coffee and just cracks you up. Bodie's just got his psych juice, which is pretty standard really, just a nice Red Bull like Jamie O'Brien. But this is the juice of choice for me today, and it's gonna feel so good in the water. Alright, we just pulled up to the beach and oh, you can't really see, but there's actually some good ones coming through. Well, I'm surprised. We were hoping for like the south swell to be hitting, and we we're gonna go like to a point or something, but it just isn't quite. Oh my god, dude, I reckon. Yeah, we just parked along here. Yeah, we couldn't really, it wasn't hitting, so there was no good points breaking, but we just pulled up to a beachy and it actually looked sick, like lefts, rights. So we're gonna get after it. You! Alright, quick surf check. It's windy down here, semi-howling, but I just wanted to surf today. So we're gonna go out. There are a few solid ones coming through though, like decent size. Oh, but it looks very fast. You see that one, Bodie? That left? So look, we'll see how we go. I don't know whether it'll be a good session or not, but woo-hoo. That was a solid one. No! Such a good one, I blew it. Bodie's ripping today. It's sick, he's gotten some real nice rights. A couple good ones coming through, I've just been blowing it, which is annoying, but still it's actually pretty fun out here. Oh! That was such a good left. going fast, bro. Bo just gave me so much shit for not going that one. And like, I was so deep. I would have died. Like, dead set just would have died. Broken my face. But watch this. I'm going this one, right? Oh, it looks a bit windy, but it's pretty fun, eh? A few good ones. Yeah. Yeah. C-R-A-C-K-E-R-Z 32. C-R-A. Yeah, crackers. 32. That's the one. I got a few good videos up. You should have a look. I'll try and get some good footage of you next. What's your name, bro? What's your name? Silva. Silva? Yeah. Nice to meet you, bro. I'll probably see you here next Wednesday. Yeah. Let's go. Oh. Alright, that's the session done. So many fun ones. Great way to start the day. Oh, gonna paddle in now, get another coffee, just relax. Ew. Stoked. Thanks for watching. Bye.